Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to talk about Oppo A9. Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Friends, it is expected Oppo A9 will launch in next week. The handset is going to be a mid-range smartphone that is packed with high-quality specifications. The upcoming Oppo A9 will come up with a high-end camera setup with a reasonable price. The memory and the processing speed are also on high note. Let's talk about display screen of the Oppo A9. The display screen 6 inches that will provide full HD plus resolution. The screen hosts the 16 megapixel front-facing camera which shows its status to be a notched one. Oppo A9's powered with one of the high-end mid-range chipset Helio P70 SoC, which has got a built-in 612 GPU. The SoC of the smartphone is paired with 6 GB of RAM. Oppo new A9 is picked with 128 GB of internal storage in order to give you an amazing space to store your data for a long time. On the back on the smartphone, you will find that Oppo has packed its new upcoming mid-range handset A9 with a dual rear camera setup. The main sensor will be 16 megapixel and the secondary sensor will be 2 megapixel. If you have a 16 megapixel sensor in a mid-range handset like A9, it means that the company offers a lot. Moreover, the camera setup is placed vertically right at the center. Right under the cameras, you will find a LED flash. A9 has got a fingerprint scanner at its back side of the handset. The battery of the smartphone is 1420 mAh. The upcoming Cherry A9 with his battery capacity will give you maximum power to keep your phone turned on for a long time. The battery will be benefited with VOOC 3.0 fast charging of 20 watts. A9 by Oppo will available in white, black, mocha and fluorite purple color. Now all the tech giants follow Samsung to bring high-end specifications to the low-end handset in order to create a healthy competition. Oppo A9 with its overall outlook will be one of the greatest assets of the market once it launches. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned and bye bye.